Let me show you how to unshuffle your Spotify playlist with these easy steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to unshuffle your Spotify playlist. So this will be a very simple and easy task where you will learn how to unshuffle your playlist within a minute or so. So let's get started. But first, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. So let's go ahead and go to your library. Make sure you open up your playlist. Here is mine. And as you can see, the shuffle button is right next to the play button. So all you have to do is just tap on it. If it's green, that means it's on. So you're going to want to make it gray, meaning it's off. So now you can enjoy your songs in an uninterrupted, orderly way. If you can't do this, however, you may need to buy premium, which will be here. Just click premium and then you can get it here. But sometimes you can unshuffle it without having to need premium like I do. I don't have premium, but I can still unshuffle it, as you can see. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed and I hope I helped you. If you did find this helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.